Hi guys, I'm Pauline. I work in Hillsboro, Oregon. It's a small town, but I grew up here and happy to tell you guys more about myself. So I graduated PT school in 2016. I went to school at Western University of Health Sciences. It's in Pomona, California, which is in Southern California, really close to the LA area. There's a lot of good food there, and if you follow my Instagram page, you know that I like to eat a lot. One of my favorite things is sprinkled things, and so that's kind of where the name came from. I like sprinkled donuts. My favorite ice cream is birthday cake. I also enjoy birthday cake, but also truffles, macarons, anything with sprinkles, I'm just drawn towards it. And so that's kind of where this name came from, because everyone knows me as for loving sprinkles and sparkles. And so I kind of saw this as an opportunity to give people some clinical sprinkles, just kind of things that I've learned through my mentorship and through my years experience as a PT, which hasn't been much, but it feels like a lot because of all the mentoring and studying that I do outside of my 40 hours a week. The one that I work in is called Outpatient Orthopedics, and so people come to my clinic for me to help diagnose and treat, and things that I treat anywhere from head to toe. So I help with neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, elbow pain, wrist pain, hips, knees, toes, ankle, foot, all of the above. People are often surprised after I'm treating their knee. They say, "Oh, you know how to treat the shoulder?" Yes, I know how to treat the shoulder. So one of the things I'm really proud about is that I completed a 2-year orthopedic residency program, and that's not required outside of PT school. It is something that my clinic director pushed me towards because I kept looking for more knowledge, more skills, and so that was something that I was led towards, and I can offer to you is the clinical pearls that I've gotten through my mentorship and give it kind of the tips that you didn't learn in PT school. In PT school, we learned a lot about a lot of things, and there was just so much memorization and some application, but limited. And so once you get out into doing PT, especially specializing in a field like mine is outpatient ortho, you learn to really hone in your skills. And every day I'm trying to be better. Every day I'm learning, and so that's one of the big things that I think makes a good PT is someone who's always willing and striving to learn more. And so that's kind of what I'm hoping that my audience is as well. And that's why you found me, is so that I can help you get better, learn the things that you didn't learn before, and hopefully you get to apply it starting tomorrow with your patients. So one of my strengths I've been complimented on is building rapport with patients, meaning that I do a really good job of building relationships with them and talking and interacting with them. By the time that they're through with their treatment, sometimes it's 2 weeks, sometimes it's months out. And in that time together, we learn how to really connect, and that's going to be one of the future episodes that I have called How to Build Relationships with a Patient, because I think that's a key part in being a good physical therapist. I am now enrolled in the fellowship program of the North American Institute of Manual Therapy. That just adds more letters after my name. Really the reason why I did it was so that I could continue my mentorship and continue to be guided by the best on how to improve my manual skills, my assessments, my efficiency. One of the upcoming episodes that I have planned for us as well is documentation efficiencies. I used to stay at work for over an hour documenting, and my work days would seem to drag because of how much paperwork documentation that we would have to do at the end of the day. And I'm so happy to give you guys some tips in a future episode. So please subscribe so that you don't miss that episode. Thanks for listening. I hope that you got something out from my introduction and what my page has to offer for you guys. I hope you subscribe and follow so you don't miss out on the upcoming episodes about different ways that I want to help you just become awesome providers. This isn't exclusive just to physical therapists, but any provider who wants to improve their efficiency and just be awesome, or even patients. I think that I do a pretty dang good job at what I do, and so I'm hoping you guys get something from that. Well, guys, thanks so much for listening. I hope you guys follow and subscribe my page so that you guys don't miss out on the really awesome things I have planned for you all. Again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon.